Coupa Online Training. Learn and upgrade your profile to the next level from industry experts with Pro Excellency. Introduction to Coupa. Coupa stands as a comprehensive business spend management (BSM) platform, diligently crafted to empower organizations in effectively overseeing their expenditure, spanning a wide spectrum of categories such as goods, services, travel, and expenses. Within its arsenal, Coupa presents a meticulously designed suite of capabilities aimed at aiding organizations in fine-tuning their procurement procedures, curbing unnecessary costs, and bolstering their adherence to regulatory standards. Feature of Coupa. Coupa's array of features encompasses streamlined spend management. Coupa offers organizations a unified platform to effectively monitor, authorize, and analyze expenses, simplifying spend management. Efficient procurement automation. Coupa excels in automating the labor-intensive aspects of procurement, from generating purchase orders to overseeing supplier contracts, reducing manual workloads. Effective supplier relationship management. Coupa empowers organizations to maintain strong supplier relationships through a centralized repository for supplier data and performance management tools. Ensured compliance. Organizations can rely on Coupa to facilitate compliance with regulatory frameworks such as Sarbanes-Oxley and the Foreign Corrupt Practices Act by providing robust spend tracking and reporting tools. Seamless cloud-based accessibility. As a cloud-based platform, Coupa offers the advantage of accessibility from anywhere with an internet connection. This scalability makes it a highly convenient solution adaptable to organizations of diverse sizes. Proven track record. With over 6,000 organizations worldwide utilizing its services, including prestigious Fortune 500 companies like Cisco, Dell, and IBM, Coupa has established itself as a trusted and reliable partner for enhancing spend management. If your organization is seeking ways to enhance spend management, Coupa emerges as a compelling choice worth exploring. The benefits of using Coupa. Using Coupa comes with a host of benefits that can streamline your business operations. Spend visibility and control. Gain a clear view of all your spending and set policies to align with your goals. Cost savings. Negotiate better vendor prices, simplify procurement, and eliminate duplicate spending. Compliance. Centralize your spend data to enhance compliance with regulations and manage risks effectively. Automated efficiency. Automate procurement processes to save time, reduce errors, and improve efficiency. Collaboration. Foster better communication and decision-making by collaborating with suppliers and stakeholders. Supplier performance. Easily track and manage supplier performance, addressing issues promptly. Informed decision-making. Access more data and insights to make better spending decisions. Agility. Respond swiftly to changing business conditions with a unified spending view. Customer satisfaction. Ensure the best prices and services from suppliers, ultimately improving customer satisfaction. If you're seeking to enhance your procurement processes, cut costs, and boost compliance, Coupa is an excellent solution. The challenges of using Coupa. Challenges of using Coupa and tips for success. Using Coupa, while beneficial, comes with its fair share of challenges. Here is a quick rundown of these challenges and some essential tips for overcoming them. Challenges. High upfront costs. Coupa is a cloud-based software, which means no initial hardware expenses. However, its monthly subscription fees, especially for larger organizations, can be substantial. Complex implementation. Coupa is intricate and can be challenging to implement and configure. This complexity may lead to delays and cost overruns. User adoption. Coupa's success relies heavily on user willingness to adopt it. Without proper training and motivation, users may not utilize it effectively. Data integration. Coupa needs to integrate with various other systems, which can be a challenge if these systems are not well designed or maintained. Security risks. Coupa stores sensitive data, making security controls crucial to prevent unauthorized access. Vendor lock-in. Coupa is proprietary, making it challenging to switch to another system if needed in the future. Tips for success. Thorough research. Before implementing Coupa, thoroughly research its capabilities and limitations to avoid surprises. Stakeholder buy-in. Gain support from all stakeholders, including users, IT staff, and management, to ensure successful implementation. Phased implementation. For large or complex organizations, consider implementing Coupa in phases to manage risks and costs. Training and support. Provide adequate training and ongoing support to users for effective Coupa utilization. Monitor and improve. Continuously monitor Coupa's performance and make necessary improvements to align it with your organization's evolving needs. By addressing these challenges proactively and following these tips, you can maximize the benefits of using Coupa for your procurement processes. Why choose for Coupa? There are several compelling reasons to consider choosing Coupa for your spend management needs. Market leader. Coupa stands out as a top-tier provider of spend management solutions, trusted by over 10,000 customers worldwide. This track record of success ensures you'll have the support and tools necessary to achieve your business objectives. Cloud-based convenience. Coupa is a cloud-based solution, offering the flexibility to access it anytime and from anywhere. This cloud-based approach makes it a convenient choice for businesses of all sizes. User-friendly. Designed with user-friendliness in mind, Coupa is accessible even to those with no prior experience in spend management solutions. You can get started quickly and begin saving money without a steep learning curve. Scalability. Coupa grows with your business. You can effortlessly add users and features as your company expands, providing confidence in your investment. Security. With robust security features like single sign-on, role-based access control, and encryption, Coupa ensures the safety and confidentiality of your data. In summary, if you're seeking an easy-to-use, scalable, and secure spend management solution from a reputable market leader, Coupa is an excellent choice for your business. Additional benefits of Coupa. Cost reduction. Streamline procurement, negotiate better vendor deals, and track spending to cut costs. Compliance improvement. Achieve better compliance with regulations like SOX and GDPR through spending visibility and workflow automation. Enhanced visibility. Gain deeper insights into spending with Coupa's reports and analytics for smarter financial decisions. Boost efficiency. Automate procurement tasks and centralize spending data for improved process efficiency. Vendor collaboration. Communicate and collaborate with vendors seamlessly through Coupa's platform. If you want to streamline procurement, save money, and enhance your business operations, Coupa is the smart choice. Getting started with Coupa, a quick guide. Sign up for a free trial. Begin your Coupa journey by visiting their website and signing up for a free trial. This grants you access to the platform's full functionality for a limited period. Configure your Coupa instance. After signing up, take a moment to configure your Coupa instance. This step involves setting up your company details, user accounts, and defining roles within the system. Import your data. If you already have spend data, easily import it into Coupa. This ensures you can start tracking your expenditures right away, providing valuable insights. Start using Coupa. With your instance configured and data in place, dive into using Coupa. Create and approve purchase orders, keep tabs on expenses, and efficiently manage your suppliers. Here are some handy tips to make your Coupa journey even smoother. Get training. Coupa offers diverse training options, including online courses, instructor-led workshops, and practical on-the-job training. Invest in learning to harness Coupa's full potential. Engage with the Coupa community. Join online communities where fellow Coupa users share experiences and offer assistance. Connect with a supportive network to enhance your Coupa knowledge. Leverage Coupa documentation. The Coupa documentation is a valuable resource, providing comprehensive guidance on platform usage. Refer to it for quick answers to your questions. Embark on your Coupa adventure with these steps, and you'll be on your way to optimizing your spend management processes efficiently and effectively. Streamline spend management with Coupa, a quick guide. In today's fast-paced business world, efficient spend management is crucial for organizations aiming to optimize their financial resources. Coupa, a versatile cloud-based platform, offers a comprehensive solution to automate and enhance procurement processes. Here is a brief overview of how Coupa can transform your spend management. Create and manage spend policies. With Coupa, you can effortlessly establish and oversee spend policies that align with your organization's objectives. These policies act as guidelines, ensuring your spending remains on track and in sync with your business goals. Streamline expense approval. Automate the often time-consuming expense approval process with Coupa. This frees up valuable time for your team, allowing them to concentrate on other critical tasks. Coupa also helps categorize expenses for better tracking and cost-saving opportunities. Real-time spend insights. Gain immediate access to insightful data on your spending patterns. Coupa's real-time analytics empower you to pinpoint areas where cost-saving measures can be implemented, leading to more informed financial decisions. Workflow automation. Coupa excels at automating various procurement workflows, improving efficiency, and saving both time and money. Say goodbye to manual processes and hello to streamlined operations. Vendor collaboration. Foster better collaboration with your vendors through Coupa. This collaboration can lead to improved negotiation outcomes, better pricing, and more favorable terms, ultimately enhancing your procurement processes' efficiency. Top tips for effective Coupa usage. Early policy setup. Lay strong foundation for your spend management program by establishing clear and concise spend policies that align with your business objectives. Maximize automation. Leverage Coupa's automation capabilities to the fullest. Automating tasks like expense approval and vendor management will yield significant time and cost savings. Secure stakeholder buy-in. Ensure that all stakeholders, including employees, managers, and vendors, understand the program's benefits and are committed to its success. Continuous improvement. Recognize that spend management is an ongoing process. Regularly monitor your spending and be prepared to adjust policies and procedures as necessary. Incorporating Coupa into your spend management strategy is a smart move for organizations seeking to optimize their financial resources. This cloud-based platform offers a user-friendly, efficient solution that can help your business achieve its financial goals while saving time and resources. Coupa, streamline your procurement for success. Coupa is a cloud-based procurement software designed to enhance your business operations. Here are key ways it can help you. Automate tasks. Coupa automates manual procurement tasks like creating purchase orders, invoice approval, and expense tracking, saving you time and improving accuracy. Centralize spending. Manage all spending data in one platform for a comprehensive view, allowing cost saving, efficiency improvements, and regulatory compliance. Supplier management. From finding new suppliers to contract negotiation and dispute resolution, Coupa helps you optimize supplier relationships for better deals and overall performance. Real-time insights. Gain real-time spending insights to track progress and make informed decisions, improving your procurement strategy and efficiency. Enhanced compliance. Ensure compliance with regulations such as Sarbanes-Oxley and the Foreign Corrupt Practices Act, protecting your business from financial and legal risks. Top tips for effective Coupa use. Define goals. Determine your procurement optimization goals to identify how Coupa can assist you. Stakeholder buy-in. Ensure all involved stakeholders are on board with Coupa implementation for effective usage and aligned objectives. Gradual implementation. Implement Coupa gradually, starting with a small user group and expanding over time to minimize disruptions. Provide training. Properly train all Coupa users to maximize system benefits. Monitor and adjust. Continuously monitor results and make necessary adjustments to ensure Coupa aligns with your goals. With Coupa, you can simplify and optimize your procurement processes, saving money, improving efficiency, and reducing risks. Reduce costs and boost efficiency with Coupa. Key strategies. Coupa, the cloud-based procurement platform, is your cost-saving ally. Here is how it can help. Smart spend policies. Easily create and enforce spend policies. Set purchase approval limits and preferred vendor requirements. Effortless expense approval. Automate expense approval and categorization, saving time and ensuring accurate tracking. Real-time spending insights. Track and report spending in real time to identify cost-cutting opportunities. Negotiate better deals. Leverage Coupa to negotiate improved prices with your vendors and save on purchases. Streamline workflows. Automate procurement workflows for increased efficiency, saving both time and money. Vendor collaboration. Improve communication and issue resolution with vendors, fostering smoother partnerships. Maximize your savings with Coupa. Secure buy-in. Gain support from key stakeholders, including employees, managers, and finance teams. Set achievable goals. Start with realistic cost reduction goals. Avoid overwhelming changes. Measure progress. Regularly assess your results to identify areas for improvement. Continuous enhancement. Continuously refine your processes and procedures to optimize savings. Incorporate these strategies to effectively use Coupa, reduce costs, and enhance your procurement process. Enhancing compliance with Coupa, simplifying procurement processes. In the fast-paced world of procurement, maintaining compliance with regulations is paramount. Coupa, a cloud-based procurement software, offers a streamlined solution to help organizations achieve compliance effortlessly. Here is how Coupa simplifies the compliance journey. Automated workflows. Say goodbye to manual tasks. Coupa automates purchase order creation, expense tracking, invoice management, and approval processes. This reduces errors and ensures transactions are handled accurately and on time, promoting compliance. Centralized data. Coupa consolidates all your procurement data into a single platform. This centralization simplifies tracking, spending monitoring, risk identification, and audit compliance, making it easier to meet regulatory requirements. Spend controls. Implement robust spend controls with Coupa. Set approval limits and budget constraints to prevent unauthorized purchases, ensuring alignment with your organization's policies. Reporting. Generate insightful reports that track spending and compliance. Identify areas for improvement and verify adherence to regulatory obligations. Coupa offers more than just these features. It includes a compliance library for easy access to regulatory information and a dedicated compliance team to support program implementation and management. Additional tips for optimal Coupa use. Clear spend policies. Establish clear and concise spend policies and communicate them to all employees to ensure universal understanding. Define roles. Assign clear roles and responsibilities in the procurement process, promoting accountability among your team. Regular training. Conduct regular training sessions for employees on Coupa and compliance policies to keep everyone up to date and using the system correctly. Continuous monitoring. Consistently monitor spending to identify potential risks and take corrective actions promptly. Routine audits. Conduct regular audits of your procurement process to confirm compliance with your obligations. Incorporating Coupa into your procurement strategy simplifies compliance, reduces risk, and enhances overall efficiency. It's your key to a smoother, more compliant procurement process, safeguarding your organization from potential risks. How to use Coupa to automate your workflows? Certainly. Here are some practical ways to harness the power of Coupa for workflow automation. Streamline approvals. Easily create and manage approval workflows for various transactions like purchase orders, invoices, and expense reports. This simplifies the approval process and speeds up decision-making. Timely notifications. Configure automatic notifications for critical events such as approved purchase orders, upcoming invoice due dates, or submitted expense reports. Stay organized and never miss important deadlines. Rules-based efficiency. Leverage rules-based automation to trigger actions based on specific conditions. For instance, automate the approval of purchase orders below a defined dollar amount, reducing manual intervention. Seamless integration. Integrate Coupa with your existing systems like ERP, accounting, and CRM. This enables cross-system automation, enhancing overall operational efficiency. Practical tips. Start small. Begin by automating the most time-consuming tasks to gradually ease into automation. Precision matters. Be precise when setting up rules-based automation for accuracy and efficiency. Test thoroughly. After creating automation, thoroughly test it to ensure it operates as intended. Regular review. Periodically review your automation to adapt to changing business needs. With these strategies, you can effectively use Coupa to automate your workflows, saving time and improving productivity. Unlock seamless vendor collaboration with Coupa. Coupa, the cloud-based procurement platform, is your ally in optimizing vendor collaboration. Here is how. 1. Vendor portal management. Simplify communication by providing vendors secure access to contract, invoice, and payment information. 2. Electronic orders and invoices. Eliminate paperwork, boost efficiency, and streamline procurement by sending and receiving orders and invoices electronically. 3. Supplier risk management. Gain insights into vendor financial health and regulatory compliance, ensuring informed decisions when choosing partners. 4. Contract negotiation. Secure favorable terms and conditions through Coupa's contract negotiation capabilities. 5. Spend tracking and reporting. Track and analyze your expenditure to uncover cost-saving opportunities. Top tips for effective vendor collaboration. Set clear expectations, define information requirements and access protocols when establishing the vendor portal. Regular communication. Keep vendors in the loop about procurement process changes and policies. Responsive support. Promptly address vendor questions and concerns to nurture trust and goodwill. Leverage Coupa for efficient vendor collaboration, enhancing your procurement process, reducing costs, and mitigating risks. Coupa Best Practices. Coupa Optimizing Business Spend Management. Coupa is a cloud-based platform designed to streamline and enhance procurement, invoicing, and expense management processes for organizations. Implementing Coupa can lead to cost savings, increased efficiency, and reduced risks. To make the most of Coupa, here are some key practices. Secure stakeholder buy-in. Success with Coupa hinges on gaining support from essential stakeholders like senior leaders, finance, procurement, and IT. Early buy-in and ongoing communication are vital. Assess current processes. Before diving into Coupa, assess your existing procurement, invoicing, and expense management workflows. Identifying areas for improvement is crucial. Establish clear goals. Define your objectives for using Coupa. Having clear goals allows you to create a strategic implementation plan aligned with your desired outcomes. Invest in training. Coupa is a robust platform. Ensure your team receives the right training, choosing from a variety of options, including online courses, instructor-led sessions, and on-the-job training. Phased rollout. Avoid overwhelming your organization by introducing Coupa gradually. Start with a pilot group and expand from there, addressing any issues that arise along the way. User feedback loop. After implementation, gather feedback from users. Their insights can help identify areas where you can further enhance the platform. Additional tips for maximizing Coupa. Explore all features. Coupa offers a wide range of features to improve your processes. Ensure you're making the most of these capabilities. Automation is key. Leverage Coupa's automation capabilities to streamline tasks, freeing up your team for strategic work. Integration matters. Coupa can seamlessly integrate with various systems, such as ERP, CRM, and accounting software. This integration enhances efficiency across the board. Continuous improvement. Use Coupa's insights to identify areas for ongoing process enhancements in procurement, invoicing, and expense management. By following these practices, you can ensure a successful Coupa implementation that drives efficiency, cost savings, and overall process improvement for your organization. Coupa Certification. Certification programs offered by Coupa are a valuable asset for your career growth. They can help you stand out and advance in the competitive field of procurement. Here are the available certification programs. Coupa Procurement Foundations Certification, ideal for beginners. This certification covers the basics of Coupa procurement software. It includes topics like the user interface, procurement processes, and spend management. Coupa Procurement Professional Certification, designed for procurement professionals with advanced skills. This certification covers topics such as advanced procurement processes, spend analytics, and vendor management. Coupa Procurement Manager Certification, for procurement managers looking to showcase leadership and management skills. This certification covers areas like procurement strategy, governance, and change management. To earn a certification, you'll need to pass a proctored exam available in multiple languages, including English, French, German, Spanish, and Japanese. Here are some tips for exam preparation. Utilize the Coupa Learning Path, a free online resource offering training on all aspects of Coupa procurement software. Consider purchasing the Coupa Certification Guide, a comprehensive study guide covering all exam topics. Stay motivated and prepared by joining a Coupa study group. Investing in a Coupa certification can significantly benefit your procurement career by showcasing your skills and knowledge, leading to career advancement and competitive salaries. Additional resources you may find helpful include the Coupa certification website, offering details on certification programs and exams. The Coupa Learning Path, a free online training resource. The Coupa Certification Guide, a comprehensive study guide. Various Coupa study groups, both online and in person, for collaborative exam preparation. Salary expectations and career opportunities in Coupa in India. When it comes to working at Coupa in India, your salary and career prospects largely depend on your experience and skills. According to Glassdoor, the average annual salary for software engineers at Coupa in India is 13.3 lakhs rupees. This figure covers both entry-level positions and seasoned professionals. For those starting their career at Coupa, you can expect a yearly salary ranging from 5 lakhs rupees to 10 lakhs rupees. Meanwhile, experienced engineers can command salaries between 15 lakhs rupees and 25 lakhs rupees annually. It's important to note that the location also plays a role, with major cities like Bangalore and Hyderabad generally offering higher salaries compared to smaller cities. In terms of career growth, Coupa is a rapidly expanding company that frequently hires new talent. There are ample opportunities for advancement within the organization, and employees are encouraged to take on new responsibilities and challenges. If you're interested in pursuing a career at Coupa, it's advisable to start by gaining experience in software development. This can be achieved through relevant degree programs or online courses. Additionally, honing your skills in areas such as cloud computing, big data, and artificial intelligence will be beneficial. Once you have acquired the necessary skills and experience, you can begin applying for positions at Coupa. The company's website is a valuable resource for finding open job opportunities. Networking with current Coupa employees or attending industry events can also help you in your job search. Why choose online training for Coupa? Online training for Coupa offers numerous advantages that make it the ideal choice for learners. Flexibility. Learn at your own pace, from anywhere in the world, making it perfect for busy schedules or on-the-go learning. Convenience. Access training 24/7, fitting it into your schedule whenever you have time. You can rewind and pause videos, ensuring you learn comfortably. Cost-effectiveness. Online training is typically more budget-friendly than traditional classroom options, as it eliminates travel and accommodation expenses. Interactivity. Enjoy interactive elements like quizzes, simulations, and real-world case studies that enhance your understanding and practical application of Coupa. Expert support. Many online training providers offer access to experts who can address your questions and provide valuable guidance, ensuring your success. In summary, if you seek a flexible, convenient, and cost-effective way to master Coupa, online training is the smart choice. Online training for Coupa offers several advantages. Self-paced learning. You have the flexibility to set your own learning pace, focusing on areas where you need the most support. Expert guidance. Benefit from courses taught by seasoned Coupa experts, ensuring you receive top-notch education. 24/7 access. Access training materials whenever and wherever you need them, fitting your schedule and location. Peer interaction. Engage with fellow learners through forums and discussion boards, fostering a collaborative learning environment. Certification opportunities. Some courses provide certification exams, helping you showcase your Coupa skills to potential employers. If you're committed to mastering Coupa, consider online training. Numerous reputable providers offer quality courses. Research to find one that aligns with your requirements and budget. Why choose ProExcellency for Coupa online training? When it comes to Coupa online training, choosing ProExcellency is a smart decision for several compelling reasons. Experienced and certified instructors. Our instructors bring extensive experience and official Coupa certification to the table. They are well equipped to impart the knowledge and skills you need for success. Comprehensive and up-to-date training. Our training program covers all essential Coupa topics, including spend management, procurement, and compliance. We consistently update our content to keep pace with the latest Coupa releases. Flexibility and convenience. Access our training online at your convenience, allowing you to learn at your own pace from anywhere in the world. Our training materials are available round the clock. In addition, choosing ProExcellency offers you these extra advantages. Exclusive Coupa Learner Community. Gain access to our community of Coupa learners. It's an ideal platform for asking questions, seeking assistance, and sharing insights with fellow learners. Ongoing instructor support. Our instructors are committed to your success. They are readily available to address your queries and provide guidance whenever needed. Preparation for Coupa certification. Our training program equips you with the knowledge and skills required to excel in the Coupa certification exam, a crucial step in advancing your career. If mastering Coupa is your goal, ProExcellency is your best starting point. Contact us today to explore our training programs further. Your journey to Coupa expertise begins here. ProExcellency Contact Info. Website www.proexcellency.com. Email info@proexcellency.com @proexcellency.com. Address Bangalore +918722079509 08031508687. Thank you for watching.